original made from Japan factory with a favorable price and it's 90% new. In the cabin, it is equipped with comfortable sitting chairs, flexible operating system. Then you can see church with hard base has the reliable chains and tracks. Then I will bring you to the features and advantages. First advantage is the hydraulic pump. It is 90% new and original made from Japan. Next is the original made distribution valve. It's very new. Finally, I will show you the engine. Also Caterpillar C7.1 assert.